Hi, welcome friends. This is my first video and we have brand new this mixer. It's Cerelac mixer also you can call. And I will show you how to take this, how to mix the Cerelac. First of all, you have to take the Cerelac in a one small bowl and add some water, and we are going to use this one and put inside and mix it. Start it. If your Cerelac is so thicky, so add some more water because it's looks like very thicky. We don't have to make like so much watery or so much like thick. So it's normal, should be. So now we can see it's mixed already. So just you have to take in a small plate, and as you can see we have the birds too. Actually they are not hungry now. So we already done, and we have two more products, like more product like it's a pet grinder, and this one general recovery and vitamins and minerals. What I used just now is general recovery. It is very good for the birds and for the birds' health. And this one, these two kinds of the machines for the mixer. Hi, welcome friends. This is my first video and I'm going to show you that we have brand new this mixer. It's Cerelac mixer also you can call. First of all you have to, and I will show you how to take this, how to mix the Cerelac. First of all you have to take the Cerelac in a one small bowl and add some water, and we are going to use this one and put inside and mix it. Start it. If your Cerelac is so thicky, so add some more water because it's looks like very thicky. We don't have to make like so much watery or so much like thick. So it's normal, should be. So now we can see it's mixed already. So just you have to take in a small plate and you have to feed the bird. You can see we have the birds too. They are not hungry now. So we already done, and we have two more products, like more product like it's a pet grinder, and this one general recovery and vitamins and minerals. What I used just now is general recovery. It is very good for the birds and for the birds' health. And this one, these two kinds of the machines for the mixer.